Hello, my name is Tyler Green, and I am the Education and Community Programs Manager at Highpoint. I will be showing you how to hand print a sticker for a water bottle using watercolors. Let's start off with a 2x3 piece of cardstock. We are going to trace the outside with a pencil onto a manila folder, and we'll cut that out. Now we're going to draw on this little piece of manila folder. I'm going to draw a little butterfly, keeping it really simple, just like that. Make sure you have very simple designs. Pencil marks are not going to show up on something like this when we actually print it. Now you can cut out your image. You want to think about your image like you're building something rather than drawing something. So I'm going to cut out each little shape on my butterfly to make up my image. So I'm cutting off the wings, and then I'm going to put them back together on my 2x3 piece of tagboard. So you'll see me making sure they all fit on there. Then I'm going to glue them all down in place. Keep in mind, everything we print is going to be reverse. So my butterfly is going to be facing the other way. If you have text, lakes or states, anything like that, make sure it's fully flipped around. Okay, that looks good. We'll now put our plate onto the manila folder and glue that down. It's going to be our printing station. Now I'll grab my watercolor. I'm going to trim my brush a little bit. I like it a little shorter, totally optional. Now to start with, we're going to print onto the white printing paper. We can also print on the brown sticker paper. So first make sure everything's dry, line up our printing paper, and take off a little piece of blue tape. With this blue tape, we're going to tape down one edge of our printing paper, just like that. So now we have a little hinge and we can open and close it just like a door. This is our registration system. Now let's start painting. We can start printing. So I'm going to use yellow first. It's good to start with a light color. I have a little test piece there that I can test my color on. And I'm going to add some watercolor to one of those wings. I like to start with the smallest part first. Now I'll use my little printing spoon or sample spoon, pressing down in little circles or side-to-side motions. And I'll lift that up. Let's see how it looks. Great. Now I'll keep going. I'm going to do the other wing in yellow. Make sure to do really thin layers. If you find the paint is drying before you can print, just do a smaller area. You can always reprint a section. So start small, and then if it seems like you have time, you can build up from there. So that's looking good. Now I'll move on and do the middle section of my butterfly. Okay, pressing down, fold that back. Hooray, there we go. Okay, now I can start to layer into my butterfly. So I'm adding some lines into the wings. I can add different shading. I can keep building it up until I like what it looks like. Then I can peel it off. Careful to take that tape off, and I'll set it to the side. Then you can keep printing. Print on the sticker paper, print on all of your pieces, because you never know which one you're going to like the best. You should have 5 printing papers in there. And that includes the sticker paper and the white paper. Okay, so now I have everything printed. Now we're going to put our stickers onto the water bottle. You'll want to have that packing tape ready. That's going to be also in strips, just like the blue tape. Have your water bottle and pick out your favorite image. There's only packing tape to put one on your water bottle. So if you want to put multiple, you'll need to find some more. It's just regular packing tape. So we'll pull that back. We're going to do a white one first. Put your packing tape sticky side up and then the print face down on it, leaving about a 1/2 inch around the top and sides. Once you have that, line it up where you want it. Stick down one edge first and kind of wrap it around tightly. This is going to really help avoid any bubbles in your packing tape. Okay, I'm smoothing it down. I'm going to actually use my printing spoon to help get some of those bubbles out. Now I'll grab another piece of packing tape and carefully cover up the bottom section of my print. Pressing that down, I'm overlapping the tape. There we go. And I'll smooth that out, making sure there aren't bubbles. And then I can trim off the little tabs on the tape. Then it should be pretty well sealed. Great. Now I'll show what to do if you're putting one of the brown stickers on. So we'll actually put the sticker on first with this one. So line it up where you want it. And I did these all horizontal. They can also be vertical. Totally up to you. Put that on, grab the packing tape, and we'll just do this like the second piece of tape on that white sheet. Okay, making sure to smooth that down, put down one end of the packing tape and wrap it around tightly to avoid any bubbles, creases, things like that. Any creases can cause water to get in. The prints themselves are not waterproof, so this is us waterproofing them, getting them ready to use in the real world. Now you can enjoy your new water bottle. Reusing a water bottle like this can cut back on waste, bringing you one step closer to being a water steward. Make sure to hand wash with soap and water. Dishwashers may wreck your print. Thanks for watching.